Welcome to the Brand Creators. This is Sona Arosh and I'm going to help you grow your business like never before. So today my topic is how to promote your business on Instagram. So before getting started, I would like you to subscribe my channel because I will be bringing more such content regularly. So today we are going to discuss about how to promote your business on Instagram. So now some of you might think, we are already doing it. Do I need to watch this video to know how? But wait, are you doing it right? Maybe not, because that is why you are not able to gain what these brands are gaining. Let me show you which brands. So here are some examples of small businesses who have been able to make a considerable impact on their business using the right strategies on Instagram. So first one is Pura Vida Bracelets, which is a bracelet manufacturer. So their Instagram strategy is that their pictures are full of personality. Every picture allows the viewers to imagine themselves with the product. Next is Kloos Watches. Kloos Watches was a small watchmaker from Netherlands whose Instagram-worthy images have helped them grow to over 690,000 followers on Instagram. So their Instagram strategy is sharing user-generated content. Their customers often post pictures of themselves wearing the watches. Kloos collects those pictures and posts them on their Instagram. So the next is 33 Acres Brewing Company. So this is a craft beer brewery in Vancouver. Their Instagram strategy is that they display a unique visual content style every time they upload a picture, and this makes their post instantly recognizable by the users. Fourth is Letterfolks. This is a small company run by a husband and a wife who create and sell handcrafted letterboards. Their Instagram strategy is that they use their own letterboards to create engaging content. They touch the customers in an emotional way by displaying the real life surroundings. The next is Bienquit Bakery. So this is just a simple bakery from New York selling all kinds of breads. Their strategy is simple food photography. They display delicious food in the best possible way, making it so persuasive that you would want to go there and eat it instantly. So these were the examples of few small brands who are growing tremendously on Instagram through their Instagram strategies. So let me also tell you how to do these things effectively and how to promote your business tremendously on Instagram. Here are a few simple steps to do it. Step number 1, get an Instagram business account. So if you already have an Instagram personal account, you can easily convert it into a business account. So in this way, you can maintain your followers into your business account also. Or else, you can always create a new business account from scratch. So here is how you can convert your personal account into your business account on Instagram. So step number 1 is log into your existing personal Instagram account. Tap on the profile icon. Then tap on the 3 lines icon on the top right corner and then tap settings. Tap on switch to professional account and then tap next. Now add your basic information like your email ID, your contact number, your physical address, etc. Your business account is now ready. So step number 2 is create a strong Instagram strategy. So how do we do this? First of all, define and understand who is your target audience. So you can do this by doing an analytics check of your own other social accounts like your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. That is understanding that what kind of audience is following you on those accounts. So these are the different applications with which you can do the analytics check. Brand Watch, Brand Mentions, Meltwater, Reputology, Tap Influence, Hootsuite, etc. Next, what you need to do is do some competitor research. This can be done by using Google Keyword Planner. Okay, don't worry if you're feeling that the terms are new to you, because I will be bringing new videos on how to do competitor research and how to use the analytics tools, etc. So once you're done with your competitor research as well as your research about your target audience, what you need to do next is to create a clear value statement. So what is a clear value statement? So this is something which you can add into your Instagram bio, explaining your audience what you are offering them, or what kind of value you're giving them, or what your business is all about. So you can see an example of a clear value statement. They say, our commitment goes beyond trends and fashions. Our goal is to create authentic timepieces. This statement clearly states that their watches purely exhibit elegance and class, rather than trendy or funky. This also shows what kind of audience they are looking for. Next, what you need to do is set your goals and objectives for your business account. For doing this, you need to be really smart. So S is for specific. That means you should exactly know what your goal is. For example, if you're saying that your goal is to increase your followers, then you should be specific that how much you want to increase it. You want followers to be 100 or 1000. Be specific. Next is measurable. M for measurable means you should know your analytics so that you can measure your performance over the time. Then A for attainable. That means the target or goal you have set for your business should be realistic or attainable. Then R stands for relevant. Relevant means whatever goal you have set for your business account, you should know how it will benefit your own business. The last is timely. Timely means you need to set deadlines on what goals to achieve when. Step number 3 is optimize your business account. So how do we do this? Although you must have filled in your basic information while creating the account, but you have another section for business information, wherein you can fill your industry details and your business contact details, etc. So you have to actually fill those things because that will be shown on your Instagram profile, as well as you can use it for your call to actions. The next thing what you need to remember is to add in a website or a landing page link to which you want to direct your viewers to. So also keep in mind that while adding a landing page or a website link inside, that link or the landing page should be mobile friendly, because as you know, most of the Instagram users are using Instagrams on mobiles. Next, what you need to do is connect your Instagram account with all of your other social accounts, like your Twitter, like your Facebook, Tumblr, Flickr, etc. Next important thing is you need to keep a check on what kind of images or videos are you getting tagged on. If you feel that those images or videos are inappropriate for your brand image, then you should hide them from your timeline. Last but not the least is optimize your profile picture. Upload a very good quality profile picture which would clearly display your logo. Step number 4 is sharing great content. So this is the most important because this is what the followers are going to watch. So think very deeply about what you're going to showcase. So if you are into the clothes industry, showcase your clothes. If you are into your food industry, showcase your food. Or if you are into service industry, just highlight your office stories or highlight your customer stories. So any which ways, decide a theme on what you are going to focus and stick to the theme forever. So step number 5 is grow and engage your audience. So Instagram is all about a community. So there might be other brands which are successful on Instagram and are similar to your category. So you can just engage with them. So how you can do it is by using the right hashtags, commenting on the right posts. So other ways to grow your audience is by promoting your business through Instagram ads, or by running campaigns, or by using influencer marketing. So any of these techniques can be used to grow your audience. So step number 6, or the most important step, is measuring your success. So this can be easily done using the analytics tools or the Instagram insights, with which you can know which of the posts are doing well and which are not, and you can make the necessary changes. So guys, these were the important steps which you have to follow while doing Instagram marketing or while promoting your business on Instagram. So if you do the right methods and you follow the right tactics, Instagram can do wonders to your business. So if you have liked the video and you think that the content was informative, do share my video, like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.